In this video, I'm going to show you the Sites section. Again, like everything, you can find this in the left menu. You just click Create New Site if you want to add a new site. Populate these fields. Once you save those, then these tabs at the top become available. I'll just show you quickly one that I've done earlier. So we've just got one called Home Site. Site employees, we've just got 2 in at the moment. But again, as you keep assigning employees to the site, this list will just grow and grow onto different pages as well. And it just gives you a nice overview of all the employees assigned to each site. Full site history. Site inspections, this is similar to the assets section where you can schedule these in as well. Site managers, you can keep a track of. You can edit these as well and view any details. Timesheets, so these are very useful if you want to keep a log of who's clocking in and clocking out of site. So what you might want to do is print these QR codes off or download them here, print them off, and you can stick them on the front of a site. For example, when people are walking in, clocking in, they can just scan the QR code and then you will get a log of each person clocking in and clocking out, what time they finished, how long they were there on site. So you can really see in great detail the hours spent on site by each employee and all your employees as a whole, and then you can then report on these as well. So you could generate a timesheet report, and over the month you can find out exactly to the minute how long you're spending on site and if it's the appropriate amount of time or not. Site employees here is again a good overview of the number of employees assigned to each site. We've just got 3 at the moment, but if you've got 50, 60 sites, this will be a long list over a few pages, and it's a good overview. You can click into these as well and see exactly which people are on that site. Site history. You can upload site history here, which is more of a document format. And you can see previous site history here as well. I haven't got anything in here at the moment, but obviously when you do, you'll be able to see all of your site history. Now reports as well. Exactly like the other sections, you can just create new reports and pull them off in Excel or CSV format. Once you save this first page, then the columns become active. And if you're used to the system, then I'm sure you'll find this bit fairly straightforward. And as usual, you can schedule these for whenever you want, ad hocly, weekly, monthly, and generate them as well, which will appear here in this section. So again, quite straightforward, but a nice new section to the software. Thanks very much for watching the video.